Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Sksksk means? Let's explore. Sksksk is an expression of excitement, laughter, or sometimes nervousness, often used in online communication, particularly by younger generations and in subcultures like the VSCO girl trend. The term mimics the sound of someone laughing or expressing joy, and it's typically used in text form to convey a playful, energetic reaction. It has no specific meaning beyond its use as an enthusiastic filler, similar to LOL or haha. Sksksk gained popularity on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, where it became associated with certain aesthetics and social groups. In essence, Sksksk is a way to express high energy or amusement in a fun, exaggerated manner, adding a layer of personality to digital conversations. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.